Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to put the second boost gauge back in. Stay tuned. Well, with some spider webs there. It's been a minute. Alright, as you can see, I've got two wires here. That's where the boost gauge went. So all I need to do is actually plug them into the back there. And then I'm done. Probably put some double-sided tape on too. Alright, so I've got the cup apart from the gauge. Just put electrical tape around it a few times so it's nice and snug in there. So what we need to do is put that cup there, put the wires through, plug it into the gauge, and put that into the cup, and then double-sided tape it down, which I won't do at the moment because it's pretty dusty in here, so I'm just going to leave it until I've detailed the car and it can easily stick on there and stay. And there we have it. Let's turn them on. Alright guys, if you just saw the gauge then, how it was flashing, it does it when it's not connected properly. As you can see, this little socket here has actually come out, so the pins weren't actually connected properly. So I need to push that back in, and it should be good. And there we go, much better. As you can see, little pins are poking out now. Plus, I took one layer of the tape off. It was just a bit too tight. I couldn't actually get it all the way into the cup. And here's my friend tonight. Alright, so I've actually got the battery on charge at the moment, so we should have more power. That's not connected, as you can see. This is just below its minimum. Two boost gauges. Who runs two boost gauges? I do. Alrighty guys, back into the engine bay. I'm just going to talk about the catch can. I was helping one of my mates at work, Reggie, probably saw it on Instagram. He had a catch can on his PCV valve, so it went from the PCV valve to this one. So just from there to there, it went up. But what I'm thinking, or what I've read, that is only open under vacuum. Now with my setup with compound turbo, it's rarely going to be in vacuum. Like pretty much just when I'm idling. Now I was thinking of putting another bung on here and having that go over there. So have it come out of here, over, then come back into the PCV valve. So we get rid of this. So then the vacuum will be coming from this red one here over to the intake. But is it worth it? I've already sealed that up. So that means drilling into it, and the baffle doesn't go to here. As you can see, it just goes to about here. Here. So I'm thinking just the hose from here should be fine. I was thinking of going under through here to here. I can get one to go that way. Is that what you guys have done? Or have you put a catch can in between here and here? Comment down below, guys. I haven't done the tabs yet for the catch can. I'll be doing that over the weekend. It is Friday night now, and it's about 10:30. No, it's 10 to 11. So I'm definitely not doing the tabs right now. But yeah, short one tonight. Just putting the boost gauge in, and just talking about that catch can. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I think we've got a couple more hours to go to try to get to 1,400 subscribers, and if we do, I'm going to give away a Harrods Garage t-shirt. I'll link the website down below. It's Teespring. You can go check out some tees and some hoodies, and I've got my stickers there too if you want to help out the channel and help out the build, and hopefully if you do, it'll go towards the tune. So that being said, I will catch you next episode when we finish off this and hopefully get the Subaru out of the garage. Thanks for watching. Bye.